Updates. We now have some breaking news coming in regarding the Pune murder case. Sia Goel's father, Praveen Goel, has now broken silence and has denied these obscene gestures that were made by Sia. Allegedly, Sia Goel's father, Praveen Goel, has rejected these allegations that his daughter made an obscene gesture while in police custody. He has claimed that Sia had injured her finger after a police vehicle door accidentally slammed on her hand, insisting that there was no inappropriate act linked to the Ketan Agarwal murder case. Now, the statement comes amid intense public scrutiny surrounding the investigation. All right, my colleague Shweta continues to be with us on this as well. Shweta, when we are tracking the developments in the Ketan Agarwal murder case, the father of Sia Goel has come to the fore and he has said that Sia was not making an obscene gesture. It was her finger which was in fact injured that was taken in another context.
Well, Shivani, we do not know really how to term this, whether is it a damage control now being polished by her parents, or is it something really sticking to the fact. But yes, now the statement from Sia Goel's parents, her father in fact, Praveen Goel spoke to media and he stated that Sia's projection of finger, in fact the finger that she displayed on media cameras, is taken into wrong context, and he in fact stated that the finger was injured while she was brought to home at Leela Kunj in Pune for the Panchnama by Lonavala Rural Police as well as Pune Rural Police. While she was coming here, accidentally the doors got slammed on her finger, and this is how she injured her finger. This is the version what Sia Goel's father Praveen Goel is providing after the controversial finger display that had happened 24 hours back by Sia Goel, where she was clearly seen projecting her finger at the media cameras. But in her defense, Praveen Goel, her father, is stating that that has been taken into wrong context and her finger is being injured, and he also shared the injured finger's visual. So we are again, you know, it becomes very difficult for us also to understand that was it something done in rage and in anger by Sia Goel, or what. The father has come up with another version stating that her finger is being hurt, and is it really a damage control or something really a fact what her father is stating before media now.
All right, thank you so much, Shweta, for all those updates. We now have some breaking news coming in from West Bengal.